Set up Alba IP EVO. Procedure must be started before mounting the nameplates. Wait for the door station to finish starting up. The door station is now ready for the configuration. Press the two side buttons at the bottom to start the procedure. Hold down until you hear a tone and LED on the camera lights up. Open the IP EVO app from your smartphone. Press Start the installation process. Select door station without display. Position your smartphone screen with the QR code facing door station camera. Wait for the tone. Select the network and press Continue. Press Add New Installation. Press Create. Give a name to your installation and make a code. Press Confirm. Enter the address or geolocalized position. Press Confirm. Press Ignore to associate later the license. Assign a name to Alba Door Station and press Next. Press End. Press Menu at the top on the right. Press Licenses. If any license is associated, press plus. The video intercom is provided with the license. With your smartphone, scan the QR code of the license. Press Spec. Press Units. Press Housing Units Plus. Enter the name of the unit and alias. Select your door station. Press Add New Unit. Press Devices. Select your door station. Press Buttons. Press Autofill. The house unit created is assigned to the first button. If necessary, disable the double button mode. Press Confirm. Press Save. Press Outputs. Press S plus S minus Output. Enter the name corresponding to the output. Press Save Configuration. Press Spec. Press Spec.